guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, that's why my eyes look weird and my frog eyes have popped out even more. So I'm just going to use a jade roller which is super cold to wake me up. But anyway, today's video is going to be a video where my Instagram followers control my day for a day. So on Instagram I have put up stories with a poll, so whichever option has more votes I'm going to do that thing. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to check is for breakfast what I should have. So I asked you guys if I should have a healthy diet bowl or if I should have a cheat meal. So this is going to be interesting. I'm actually okay with anything, so let's check. Oh my god, 71% voted for a cheat meal. Okay, well that's good because I have some patties which I really love. Okay, so let's check the next thing. It's about my pamper session with my mom. I've asked you if we should do a hair mask together or a face mask together. So let's see what you guys chose. I feel like I need both of these today. I want to, pamper myself with everything today. So, oh yeah, it was pretty close. So 58% of you said do a face mask and 42% said hair mask. So I'm gonna have to do a face mask, and this is a charcoal face mask, so we are going to look very pretty. Get ready. Okay, so my mom has already taken her bath and she's ready, but still I'm going to trouble her with this.
Ashi. Little normal, huh? Yeah, that's how you should.
Okay, show your beautiful face.
Two monkeys.
Yeah, two beautiful monkeys. This is my breakfast. I have one normal patties which I like. Then one is a corn and cheese patties which is also really yum. And then my mom's coffee which is the best. So I'm gonna enjoy this because you chose for a cheat meal. Okay, so now we are going to have breakfast and we are going to watch Splitsvilla. So growing up I never watched a single show on MTV and I never understood them also, but lockdown has hooked me on to Splitsvilla and Ace of Space. So today we are going to watch the latest episode of Splitsvilla. Okay, so I just took off my face mask after an hour or so, but yeah, my skin feels so much clearer and cleaner and bright. So yeah, I like this face mask. Anyway, let's check the next one now. So I have given you two options to select a nail art for me. So it's very close. It's very close. So 52% have voted for a colorful nail art and 48% for orange one. So it's very close, but yeah, I think colorful mein zyada mehnat hogi, so pray for me. But yeah, I'm going to attempt for this beautiful colorful summery manicure. Okay, so let's pick out all of the colors that we are going to need. We are going to need a lot of colors today. So a pastel blue, lavender, pista color, then this bright orange shade and this pink shade and this dark purple. And I have these beautiful nail art brushes which belong to my sister. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I think I did good. This was nice and this was difficult also, but it is very, very colorful and it makes me happy whenever I look at it. Not a pro, but yeah.
Nice.
Okay, I just took a shower and now let's move on to the next thing, which is the look of the day. So I gave you two choices. One was a very natural and everyday sort of a neutral look, and one is more creative and using graphic eyeliners. So I have a few colorful eyeliners by Devashri Beauty. Okay, creative and bold, yes. 64% have voted for creative and bold, so I'm going to use these graphic eyeliners, which is really good because I've only used this once. First shade is going to be this one, which is like a orange, a dark orange, almost red. The next shade I'm going to use is this one called D-Funk, like a neon orange color, and I'm going to add this one on the center of my eyelid, so it will be a nice pop of color. Wings are on. Obviously they are not matching. We all saw that coming. But anyway, next thing is to draw the cute little flowers, and I'm going to use this white shade for that. As you can see, the first draft is kind of done, but it's clearly not as bright as I would like. So I'll go over it again now, and I need to be more precise now. Okay, I'm done now. It definitely looks much brighter now, and I feel like a honeybee, you know, like a butterfly or a honeybee. Blush is a bit too much. I feel like a literal butterfly right now. Okay, I'm done. I think I did a good job. It is pretty similar to hers. Let me zoom you in. This is the final look. I feel like a butterfly, although it took a long time, but yeah, it was worth it. It's super pretty. Okay, next question was about my perfume. I need perfume right now because I'm so tired. I definitely need a pick-me-up. So I gave you two options. One is a floral perfume and one is a deep, mysterious and musky kind of a perfume. So let's see what you have voted for. Oh no, it has 50-50 votes. Very helpful, guys. But yeah, what am I supposed to do now? Apply both? I think I should apply both, right? Let's do this nighttime perfume over here. The floral perfume on my neck. Okay, this is weird, applying both together. So the next question is about my hair, and let's see. I gave you two options, curly hair and straight hair. I hope you have chosen curly hair because straightening my hair will take another hour or so, and I'm super tired. So let's see. Oh no! 62% people have voted for straight hair. Oh my god, I feel like Madam Butterfly would look cute in curly hair, but since you are the boss here, I have to straighten my hair. I have this straightener which is 10 years old, literally, so I feel like poo. I really like the makeup. It is super time consuming, but the final result is so cute. I still feel like curly hair would have suited better with this look, but yeah, anyway, I've added this and I'm gonna go click some pictures now. Okay guys, so time for the next activity, and that is to play a game. So I have given you two options. One is Call of Duty, which I used to play with my cousins, and the other one is Choices, which is my current favorite. It's a game in which your story changes according to your choices.
58% people have voted for Call of Duty. Damn.
And my favorite gun is DLQ-33. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ऐसे दूर से it shoots well from a very long distance. कुछ तो नाम होता है उसका. Sniper, yes, I like sniper. Hi Ashia! Say hi YouTube!
Hi YouTube! तुझं नाव change झालं.
Hey ho! My name used to be Tekna.
Hi Shri.
Hi Arlo! Say hi YouTube!
Hi YouTube.
These are my cousins.
I killed one.
Who is winning?
Yes! Killed one! Yes. Winner, chicken dinner. Boom. Bye. See you. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Let's move on to the next one, which is either clean my room or play with Tanu, and this is good. 63% people voted for play with Tanu. So come on Tanu, people have voted to play with you. No, please. He acts like I am torturing him. Hello, I'm here to love you. I'm here to play with you.
Baby shark, mommy shark, Oi! Beto! Chalo, Beto, I'll give you Zoka, okay?
Okay, so the next thing I asked you was about an evening activity. First is chill in Zoka, which I really love and need right now. And next is 2 rounds of HIIT workout. 51% people have voted for workout 2 rounds. Okay, so I have to work out now. Madam Butterfly is very upset. You guys are very mean. today is the day I die because I literally have no energy. So workout clothes are on, makeup is off. I look like a panda now because of the eyeliner. One round done and I'm already dead. I have to do that again. 2 rounds done and I'm dead. It's basically HIIT workout so that in shorter period of time you burn more calories. That's why I'm out of breath right now. But yeah, you guys better give this a huge thumbs up because I didn't have energy today after doing so much for the whole day and then working out. So yeah, I deserve a big thumbs up. And comment down below something nice. Okay, so I took a shower and I had my dinner. Now the second last thing that I asked you is about my dessert, if I should have chocolate chip ice cream or if my dad should make me some cold coffee. So let's see what you chose. So 63% of you have voted for chocolate chip ice cream, so I'm going to have that, which is good because the quantity is small, so that will be enough for me. Look at that. I love chocolate chip. It's my favorite since I was a kid, but okay guys, so the last thing is that I asked you if I should read a book or I should write my diary. So okay, so 69% votes are for write your diary. So actually I use this planner by Simba Lifestyle. Mridul Sharma has created magic with these planners. So this is the second one that I purchased and I like using this as a diary. I'm weird. This is actually a planner. The cool thing about this is that there are so many different stickers over here. I like using. So what I've started doing this year is that every day I draw something from my day which is like the happiest thing of my day. So I'll show you this one, which is April, and these are all of the nice things happened to me in April. I'm sure you won't understand exactly what all of this is, but it is related to my life and the best thing about that day, you know. So yeah, and you know, afterwards, if you see this after a few months or even a year, it feels so amazing to look back how your life looked like back then. So yeah, I love doing this. Oh god, my camera space is full, so I am filming on my phone, so excuse the quality, but let me know if you also write diary. Are you a dear diary kind of a person? I have been writing my diary since 2007, so yeah, that's pretty crazy. Oh, and it also has this habit tracker, so you can list down 6 habits and track it. So let me mark for today. Anyway, that completes this video. I'm extremely tired. Please give me a huge thumbs up because this was like a huge challenge, but I did it and I enjoyed it. Actually, it was cool for you guys to, you know, control my day, and we should do this again soon, I think. So yes, leave me a nice comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, good night.